In this video, I'm gonna be walking through how to use Google Translate camera feature in iPhone. First of all, go to your App Store and search for Translate, or you can search for Google Translate as well. So here you'll find the official Google Translate app. So make sure you have installed the Google Translate app from your App Store. Now go ahead and launch your Google Translate app. And you can sign in here using your Google account. Okay, now all you have to need to use Google Translate camera feature. Here you find this camera option, select it. And now using your camera, you can easily translate anything. So first of all, we have to select our translate language. So I'm selecting here Bengali to English. And then if I just hover over on this book, we can see all text successfully translated to English automatically. Here we can see the result. So we can see the main text, and here we can see the translated. Okay, now if you want to upload a photo from your gallery to translate, just tap on this upload option, and from your gallery you can just select image to translate, and we can see my text of this image successfully translated to English. If you want to translate to different language, you can just tap here to change your language. So this is how you can actually use Google Translate camera. Thanks for watching.